Hello, we're here today with Edgar Sutton to learn a little bit more about one of the new features in QuickBooks 2011. Edgar, can you introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about your background?
Hello, my name is Edgar Sutton. I was previously a QuickBooks Pro advisor working with a firm in Manhattan, a CPA firm in Manhattan. Did that for 2 years. Currently, I am a QuickBooks Pro advisor support engineer working here at Intuit. I've been here for the last year.
Great. We're going to talk about multi-instances today. Tell us, what is that?
Multi-instance is a new function in the QuickBooks program that allows you to open up 2 separate instances of the same year version of QuickBooks. So you can have 2 separate company files open in the same year version. With the ability to open up multiple instances, it can free the Pro Advisor up to work on multiple clients at one time. They're working on a specific one doing, say, bank reconciliations, and another client calls in. It allows them to actually open that second client without losing their current progress in their current client file. In other words, losing that reconciliation. It also offers some added functionality, being able to actually have a copy of a second company file up to do cross-company entries. Some Pro Advisors would need that functionality.
Great. Well, let's take a look at how it works.
Okay.
QuickBooks Accountant 2011 now allows you to open 2 QuickBooks files simultaneously. This feature allows you to address client queries immediately without having to close another client data file and interrupt QuickBooks. It also allows you to compare 2 company files side by side without having to use 2 computers. To open 2 QuickBooks Accountant 2011 company files, launch QuickBooks from the desktop icon, then select Open a Data File. To open a second file, and consequently a second instance of QuickBooks, you must launch QuickBooks again and open another file, or simply open the QBW file you need directly. It is most efficient to use the QuickBooks File Manager to locate and open a second company data file. Simply locate the file you wish to open and double-click it. In fact, with the QuickBooks File Manager, you can always launch the correct QuickBooks version by opening the company data file. The first file opened becomes your primary file, and the next the secondary, and QuickBooks labels them accordingly. You may now switch back and forth between the 2 files, and you can even copy and paste text and numbers from one file to another. It is critical to note which file is the primary, as there are limitations on what can be done in the secondary file. Help, for example, is only available in the primary instance of QuickBooks. There are limits on what can be done to any file while 2 instances are open as well. These limitations are minimal and can be overcome by temporarily closing one instance of QuickBooks. For a full list of limitations when multiple instances of QuickBooks are open, see the in-product help.